today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to remove the factory rock rails off of your Jeep Gladiator, cut up a bunch of tubing, bend it, weld it on, and upgrade your rock sliders. All right, so we got the passenger side fully tacked up. Set it back on here just to make sure that everything was gonna be good. I'm liking the looks of it. Now we're gonna get the driver's side fully tacked up, weld them both, and shoot them with some paint. That's gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you're this far in the video and you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think of adding the tubing to the rock sliders. I think it's gonna be a nice little protection for the body because this thing's gonna get lifted and on 37s. So a little step helping to get in plus extra body protection. It's a win in my book.